Today I'm going to teach you how to move rows and columns in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill when organizing your data, allowing you to rearrange information quickly without cutting and pasting. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. This will take you to Google's Workspace login page. Go ahead and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to edit. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are displayed. From the Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet where you want to move rows and columns. You can do this by scrolling through your recent files or using the search function if you have many documents. Once you find it, simply click on the spreadsheet to open it. This will launch Google Sheets and display your data in an editable format. Now let's start by moving rows. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to reorder data or group related information together. To move a row, click directly on the row number on the left side of the spreadsheet. You'll notice the entire row becomes highlighted. Once selected, click and hold on that row number, then drag it upward or downward to wherever you want to place it. As you drag, you'll see a visual indicator showing where the row will land. Release your mouse button when you've reached the desired position, and the row will snap into place. All the data within that row moves with it, keeping everything intact. Next, let's move a column. The process is very similar to moving rows, just in a different direction. Click on the column letter at the top of the spreadsheet. This selects the entire column, highlighting it for you. Now click and hold on that column letter, then drag it left or right depending on where you want to position it. Just like with rows, you'll see a visual guide showing where the column will be placed. Once you've found the right spot, release your mouse button and the column will move into its new location. All the data within that column stays together during the move. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move both rows and columns in Google Sheets. This simple drag and drop method makes reorganizing your spreadsheets quick and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.